Your dehumidifier is making a loud noise. That is really annoying. I know this would annoy me. Then you are on the phone with the foundation repair company's service department. Stay tuned and I'll let you know what to expect when a service tech comes to your house. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. We make hundreds of service calls every year. When a service tech comes to your home, we want to make sure that you know what to expect. In this video, I'll tell you what happens when you have a service appointment. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Our service manager will be sure to reach out to you to set up an appointment that works for your schedule and a time that works when you're going to be home. Our service technicians will also give you a call with their exact ETA when they're on the way so that you know exactly when they're going to be there. The biggest thing that you can do before a service technician arrives is make sure that we have access to the problem. So if your basement has personal belongings in it or anything like that, just make sure that you have those pulled away, as well as any obstructions that may be in the way of doors or crawl space entrances. So we can get our necessary tools in there to fix that area, as well as inspect that without damaging or getting in the way of any of your personal belongings. So while they're there fixing your problem, they're going to be sure to keep an eye out. If there's anything else that's going on, especially in crawl spaces or basements where you're not every day there and see that, we want to make sure that we inform you of those concerns and give you an option for repair if it's something that you're interested in. We want to make sure that nothing surprises you. So if we have somebody in those areas and they notice a problem, they're at least going to make you aware so that you can keep an eye on it and give you a solution if that's something you would like to do. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your service appointment? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.